Did you ask while you were watching, what did I get from Joann? This bag right here and this bag right here. Too much. That's what I got. Too much yarn. So now let me show you what's in the bag. Rave yarn is at my store and it is new. If you didn't get a chance to watch my live, you can see me show all of the different colors, but this is 100% premium acrylic. It is 312 yards, 5.3 ounces, 285 meters, 150 grams. This is called Lava Lamp. I got all the colors. So y'all need to look at that live. I did work up a swatch, so you all will get a sneak peek. I had to do some ocean waves. So I did all of the stitches, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochets, and so on. So this is what that looks like with the blue. So I'll be doing a review on that yarn. So stay tuned for that. Station break. All this yarn I got. My goodness. They did not have that K&C yarn, that knit and crochet yarn, the hanks. They didn't have those at my store. So I'm hoping that my local Joann will carry them. I did grab this K&C. It's very, very pretty. And this is premium yarn, essential cotton. It is 180 yards, 3.5 ounces, 165 meters, and 100 grams. This is very pretty. This is called, interesting name, Iditarod. I hope I pronounced that correctly. This is made in Turkey. And it is a 3-weight. Oopsies. Yes. A nice size 3-weight yarn. The recommended hook size is 3.75 millimeters for the knitting needles and a 3.75 millimeter for the crochet hook. I went ahead and grabbed this Canyon. I think this is a very beautiful yarn. I love the color. It is nice and bright and vibrant. From K&C. And let me see if I grabbed another one. Yes, I grabbed this one right here. I thought these two would pair together really lovely. I don't know what I'm going to make yet, but you can let me know in the comments if you think this is a perfect match and whether or not you've used the K&C brand. This one is called Joshua Tree. So Canyon and Joshua Tree. Love the names. So this is what I got from K&C. I grabbed the Big Twist Value yarn. I love this. It's 100% acrylic. This is called Sunrise Ombre. Love the colors of nice light canary yellow with that orange. Reminds me of a popsicle. It's very pretty. So let me give you the specs on it. It is 269 yards, 4.3 ounces, 246 meters, and 121 grams. The recommended needle size is a 5 millimeter for the knitting needles and a 5 millimeter for the crochet hook, medium weight 4. It has the nice little diagram down there where you can see how many balls you'll need. For a 50-inch by 60-inch, you'll need 13 skeins. For an adult sweater, they recommend 6, 1 for a hat, and 3 for a scarf. This is made in Turkey as well. I picked up this Red Heart Super Saver Stripes yarn. This is called Retro Stripe. Nice bubblegum colors. You'll get the mint green, orange, pink, and lime green. Very, very pretty. So this is 5 ounces, 141 grams, 236 yards, 215 meters. It's a medium weight 4. Recommended needle size is a 5.5 millimeter and a 5 millimeter for the crochet hook. Here's another big twist value. It is called Rainbow Bright. I really wanted to see how this one works up. It's 269 yards, 4.3 ounces, 246 meters, and 121 grams. Also got this Big Twist Party. I wanted to give it a try. I don't have any of this yarn, so I definitely wanted to pick it up and see whether or not I would like it. This is 100% acrylic, and it's 240 yards, 3.5 ounces, 220 meters, 100 grams. Medium weight 4. And you can machine wash this, low iron. It says do not bleach, do not tumble dry, and dry flat. This is called, see, what is this colorway called? Canyon. It's called Canyon. And it tells us how many balls that we would need on the back of the sleeve. I got the Keri Simply Soft Speckle yarn. This is by YarnSpirations, and this is called Snapdragon. I love the colors. It's nice and rich. I have to pull it back a little bit because I feel like it's a tad bit darker. And look at this. I did not plan this, but it is like I'm matching. I actually put on the same colors as the yarn. This is so cool. So this is 235 yards, 215 meters, 5 ounces and 141 grams, 100% acrylic. And for the knitting needles and the crochet hook, you'll need a 5 millimeter Snapdragon. I picked up this Red Heart Super Saver Stripes. You've probably seen it out there. This is called Jewel Tone. I wanted to add it to my stash and maybe create something really nice. 5 ounces, 141 grams. It's 236 yards, 215 meters. Gotta love the center pull, right? I love Red Heart. Always keep it in my stash. So I noticed that I got 2 of the Big Twist Party. What I'm going to make with it, I don't know. But I thought it was a pretty yarn. It has a really nice soft feel to it. And yes, I am matching today. Isn't that something? That might be some of my, it may be some of my colors for this time of the year. Also got this Keri Simply Soft, which isn't my most favorite yarn to work with, because when I work with the FURLS hooks, it tends to slip, so I have to switch to a wooden hook when I use this. But they do have some pretty yarn, and it's soft. This Simply Soft is 235 yards, 215 meters, 5 ounces, and 141 grams. This 100% acrylic yarn is called Galaxy. So I got it for the name and for the colors that you see in there. And that's it for this bag. All done. I think I covered it all. So I did get the new t-shirt yarn, and I did show these also in my live stream, the pop-up live. So if you want the specs and the info, you could check that out. It is a short one. Hopefully this video didn't take too long. I'm glad you all were able to come over and see what I got at Joann, and just to see the sales that they have. If you are going to buy online, look for porch. If you put porch in there, you could get $1.99 for shipping, because I did order some items and had them sent off, and it was $1.99 for the shipping. So hopefully that code still works. Also, I used the code outside, and outside I believe gave 25% off, or maybe it was 15. But I'm just saying, make sure that you check your coupons before you check out. I hope this was very helpful for you in determining what yarn you would like, or just to see some yarn window shop. You all have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the YT streets. And remember to live each day as if it were your last. I'll see y'all next time.